I don't know, Daddy. I thought about it. Put my foot.
That's it.
Ooh.
Wow, did it?
Oh, uh-oh.
There you go. Pop it in there.
It's a bit hard for me. There's a put some more. Uh-oh! My ants are here. Okay.
You don't like the leaves on them?
We'll be Pitman shops.
Make some orange juice. Big one, isn't it?
It'll be Toddler.
Oh, good
And
girl.
it'll be hard. It's a bit hard.
Yeah, yeah.
The one is a baby tip.
Come on then, in you go. Morning chickens. Morning chickens.
Do I want to here? Do I want to here? Do I want to here? I want to know. I was big. Come back, baby tip. Dinner. We bonus like them. Oh, look in the tree house. No street that one. I can't reach.
So if you put it up here, good girl. We'll cut it. Get it out.
You're going to squeeze it for Mummy then. Yeah, cut the orange.
A bit muddy.
That's okay, you can squeeze it into the jar.
There.
Squeeze it.
Water's in the top. Whoa.
Orange juice.
There's those ones.
That's right. There you go.
Good day, Daddy. I'm doing it then.
Cheers.
Oh, that's Mummy. I beat that was Mummy.
You're copying me.
Oh, you have a bag.
Let's do the weeding. Story. Can you get this one for me? Get this one with me? Help me. Yeah, let's get this weed out. Yeah. Is it in the bag for me? Good girl.
Good girl. That's it.
And there's a reading.
So many
Here's
weeds.
one, Mummy.
Okay, can I use that? Brilliant. Good
Here's a
job.
reed.
Can you get that one out? Pull it. Wow, look at that. Big one in the bucket.
And there's a hand.
In the piece.
Sister's hand.
High five.
One hand.
This one. Yeah, you got it. Good girl.
Uh-oh.
Here she comes.
Oh, darling. What's it? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Look. It's going to eat some of it. I was eating this and it's bonus and I know.
It's nice.
It's a secret. It's very lovely. It's very big.
So big.
It's worse. Bum bum.
Is that fun?
It's some more. No, it's nice, you.
Bye, Donkey.
Bye, Donkey. Bye.
What is it, Story?
Bee.
It's a bee, isn't it?
I'm just going to eat flies.
Yeah, it eats flies, does it? No, it eats flowers.
Me. I lose it. Tuna.
Collecting all the pollen.
Should we pick this flower, Story?
Really?
Yeah.
Gently. Good girl.
It smells really nice.
Put it in the basket gently. Thank you. Good girl. Ooh. It smells different, doesn't it? To the other one. You give it a sniff?
flower press.
What's that? What's that?
Nut.
What?
Not that. Flower.
Bye boy.
You cover it up. Okay, and we put the lid back on.
Why there's some buttons in?
Spin it round, that's it. Just see up the flower press.
What's that?
Potatoes. Should we go and plant them?
It's plants. There's potatoes.
Here you go.
Potatoes. I just hit them.
Good girl.
And the rolling up.
Yes, excellent berrying. You happy with that berrying?
I'm busy. No, there's one little potatoes in the mud. Did you open the hole? I do this. And there's a baby one.
Yeah, we're going to plant them. Good girl.
I've been sand turtles.
Right.
And there's a bead. Right there.
You can get the spade going in.
In the hole. He is. Whoa. Whoa. And that slipped. That's funny.
It is funny, isn't it?
Whoa. Come, Daddy. Run, Daddy.
In we go. You join us?
Look what it is.
Okay.
It is.
Thank you very much. Wow. There you go.
Even make fire.
Nice.
Wow.
Over.
You going to bed?
That.
You can sleep now.
No, so we'll do it again.
Do it again, okay. Do more flowers. Wow.
Oh, that's better.
It's better, isn't it?
I want to go top.
In the centre.
Very center.